We have graphics already created in a Word document that we would like to use in SoftCHalk. What we would do is just open the Word document. Now we cannot select the graphic and copy it because the graphic is actually anchored to a Word paragraph. So we need to select the paragraph that is anchored to that Word document. We can click on the graphic and look for the anchor and see which paragraph we need to select. We then select that paragraph, making sure the paragraph symbol is selected. We turned on the Show Invisibles to indicate that. Then we can copy. We can click on the Copy tool. We can do a Control-C or right mouse click and copy. That places all of that content on the clipboard. Coming into SoftCHalk, we choose Edit, and we're going to paste. Of course, we can also do a Control-V or right mouse click and paste. And that will paste not only the graphic but the text that's included with it. The graphic formatting stays. Notice the text does wrap around the graphic. It can be modified by right mouse clicking on it, choosing Modify. Notice the options that are there. Because there is white space around the image, I'm going to change the horizontal spacing. I'll also enter a long description, then click OK. And we have now placed our image from Word into our lesson. Now what about equations that we have in Microsoft Word? If we select all of the text that contains the equations, and then copy it, I'll again click on the Copy tool, move into the SoftCHalk program, and then paste. I'll right mouse click and paste. Then the equations that came from Word are now graphics and or images, and I can modify them as you see. How about taking an equation from Word and making it an editable equation in SoftCHalk? We'll go back into Word. First of all, we've selected the equation and gone to the Design Tools. We click on our Equation Options button and modify one of the equation options. We want to copy MathML to the clipboard as plain text. We then click OK. Select the equation and then copy it. I've right mouse clicked and copied. Come into SoftCHalk, choose Insert Equation, then paste. I can do a Control-V or right mouse click and paste. We then have our description box where we can enter a text description of that equation. That would be read by a screen reader, which makes the equation an accessible equation.